These POV 2D style animation channels are blowing up on YouTube right now, and what's crazy is not that many people realize how much money these are making. If we start with the Wealth Explainer, they kind of started the niche, and they made this video called Your Life is Every Rank in the Italian Mafia, which got 2.5 million views, making them around 12,000 US dollars. Now, why is this important? Well, we can see another channel such as The Life Outline that pretty much just copied their style and actually didn't change up the niche that much at all, and they actually got a video to do even better, even though they started after 5.5 million views, and their first video did 2 million. This channel in its first month did over $30,000. But so what? A few channels blew up, but this format isn't just working in the mafia and cartel space. If you pivot the niche and do Your Life as Every Blank or POV blank, we can switch it, right? We have a channel called Anime Simplified, doing things, as you can see, like what it's like to be every type of hunter and hunter. And if we look at their channel, they have things like what it's like to be every sorcerer rank in Jujutsu Kaisen. So it's the same type of thumbnail, same type of script, everything's the same. They just changed it from, mafia and cartel to anime. This POV bro, he's doing something different in which he's changing the niche by uploading every single day, as you can see here. So if we go to his channel, he's uploading all the time, and we're going to analyze these channels one by one, but it's because he's actually making really low effort AI content, and this guy's even making a lot of money. And if we want to ramp that money even higher, we can take a channel like Billy Finance, who is going to have a high RPM because he's targeting an older audience about finance content, doing things like POV Your Life at Every CEO level, for example. So what does this tell us? If we take a new idea and then we put in POV or Your Life as, then we can make a ton of money. And this is blowing up right now. These channels have started in the last month. I've even seen a channel in the last 2 days that just started blowing up and is about to get monetized. But, how am I going to make a fully animated video? How are we going to do this? Well, the truth is you can actually just wipe all of this off the face of the planet, right? And you could just do all of this with AI. And if you don't believe me, I am going to prove it to you that you can make super, super high quality content with AI, specifically in this niche. So firstly, I want to go over to the Wealth Explainer, and we're going to just watch like 10 seconds of their video so you can grasp what it actually looks like. So let's press on this one.
Level 1, the hang around. You're a local kid. You grew up watching the cool guys in the neighborhood. You see the jewelry.
And as you can see, this looks pretty high effort. There's not only images, but there's animations. They're adding in real stuff. I mean, if you skim through, it's pretty high quality. And if we take a look at the Life Outline, this is pretty much a carbon copy. Same niche, same style of animation, as you can see. But what's interesting is we take a channel like the POV bro, and this channel is honestly just AI slop. Let's press on one of their videos so you can see the difference here.
You grow up in Juarez. Your grandfather ran a mechanic shop on a dirt road near the river.
As you can see, these are just still images. Now, am I saying, okay, let's copy this channel? No, but there's a reason this channel is able to upload every single day, while the Wealth Explainer, if we go to their upload schedule, they're uploading like once a week. And that's because they have to wait for the animator to get done and this to get done and that to get done, right? So what some people are doing and where the middle ground is you can actually use better AI tools and make videos that are in between the two qualities. And clearly you can still get views even if you're using AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, what tools to use. And we're going to come up with our own idea and figure out exactly how to execute this. So firstly, most of these channels I actually found in tubegen.ai, which has a niche finder. The reason this is better than using YouTube to find a niche is because this is going to filter by, pretty much everything you need to find a good niche, like monetize with AdSense, the typical view count, how old is the channel. And this is where you can find a lot of these POV channels. But keep in mind, like I said, we want to actually go ahead with a new idea. So with the new idea, what new idea can we come up with? Well, we got to fill this in with something. We started with mafia bosses, cartel. We've seen anime switch into finance niche. So all we need to start is POV, Your Life as what? Well, we could do like a Star Wars channel. Just take something that's big. We know Star Wars has millions of fans. So POV what? We could do POV Your Every Rank as a Stormtrooper. So this channel would be like a POV Star Wars channel, right? And that could be the first video idea we come up with. Now, how are we going to get the script, the voiceover? Keep in mind, TubeGen is actually created to make this entire process all in one. Now, TubeGen has a ton of tools. It has scriptwriter, voiceover, a ton of tools, and you can either use them standalone or in order. And because everything's integrated into each other, it's actually really easy to start. So in this case, we'd go ahead and we'd press on this create video button here. And this is where you're prompted to choose a style. Now you can also create a new style, which is what we're gonna do. And we're gonna call this Star Wars, right? Now this default word count, let's look at these channels. How long are they making these videos? They're somewhere in the 10 to 20 minute range. So we could say, let's do like a 1350 long script. So 1,350 words around. We're going to choose the English language. And now we have a ton of AI voices to choose from. So let's play a few of them and figure out which one is going to be, you know, a kind of YouTube Star Wars type of tone. We just choose the one we like, really.
Hey, it's Tyler. A clean, high-energy YouTube delivery.
Tyler actually sounds pretty good. And one thing we can do is we can actually go to the voice controls and even make Tyler speak at 105% speed. So that's a little bit quicker to keep the audience retention, the AVD up. As long as AVD goes up, then, you know, YouTube's going to keep recommending us to new viewers because the viewers are watching ads, right? And that makes YouTube money. So that's what we need to aim for. Now we need to add a reference video. So let's actually add 2 of them. Let's take the 2 from the best channels. So let's go here. We'll take the one from the Wealth Explainer. We just right click and press copy link address. And then we'll put that as reference video 1, hit enter. And let's add another one and we'll go to the life outline. And we'll take this 5.5 million view video and then we'll also enter that in here. And then we're going to go ahead and press create style. Now there's some other controls you can do in here like the visual defaults and all of this, but we don't need to touch that for now. Unless you're, you know, consistently making videos and you want defaults so you don't have to set up everything later. So now our project is being created and we can generate a title from our style, but keep in mind, we're creating our own original idea. So we don't need to generate a title. We can actually go straight to the script and type in a title here. So we could go to this video right here, the Mexican cartel one, and we can simply copy and paste this title and put it right here and then just change Mexican cartel. We're gonna change this to Stormtrooper. And then just right here, we can put like Star Wars so that the AI knows specifically we're talking about Star Wars. And then to generate the script, simply we're gonna hit generate because when we made the style on the back end, TubeGen is downloading the transcripts, reading them, and training the script to write in the same way. So even though the reference scripts are about cartels and mafia bosses, we're just taking the style. So it sounds like the same scriptwriter, but we can write about whatever topic we want. And as you can see, we have our script right here in the exact same style, but it's about Star Wars. Next, we can actually generate a description for our YouTube video. So this will go in the description, and then this is here. Now we go over to the voiceover, which you can actually generate at the same time as the description, and we simply press on the generate button. And one thing to keep in mind, TubeGen is actually partnered with 11 Labs, so you can use 11 Labs credits in TubeGen for cheaper than directly on 11 Labs site. So not only do we get the highest quality voiceover, but we actually get it cheapest through TubeGen. So as you can see, we have a 13-minute video here. We're gonna press the play button so you can hear what it sounds like.
Level 1, the recruit. You're on Karita. They shave your head.
Now you can see here we have cut silences. You have jumpy, smooth, natural, and of course AI is going to have you know, no cuts. It's trying to make it sound like a human with breathing and whatnot. So if we do jumpy, it'll be super fast. Smooth might be slower. So I like to do natural, and in this case it'll actually sound more human because with real humans, when you have a real human voicing, they'll typically edit and cut out the silences in between like long pauses and sentences. So this will sound a lot more natural for the viewer. Now we have our voiceover with the cuts, and just like that, we have the script done, the voiceover done, the description done, the title done. Now we need to make the actual video, so we go to the visuals tab. Now, like I said, you can use everything standalone, so you can actually upload your own voiceover, but TubeGen detects that we generated a voiceover in the app. So now it says, okay, do you want a video that's filled with just images? Do you want a fully animated video? Do you want a video that has like a talking avatar like me speaking it? Do you want fully stock footage? Do we want a mix of stock footage and visuals mix, which pretty much gives you a timeline, and you can make like the first minute just images, the next minute animated, etc. So you have all these options here. Which one's going to be the best? Well, in this case, if we wanted to be like the POV bro, we could go ahead and use just images, and we could select how many images. This tells us we're gonna have 2.5 second pacing, so this is gonna be 309 images. Now let's go over to the POV bro and let's see how many images they're actually using in their video.
You grow up in Juarez. Your grandfather ran a mechanic shop on a dirt road near the river, taught you to drive at 11, a 1986 Ford F-150 with no power steering.
So there's, it seems like it's pretty quickly paced. They're probably using the maximum amount of images, but we want the right art style, right? So we're going to change this from realistic and we want a custom style. So I actually have a custom style in the POV format, but pretty much we just put 3 screenshots in. We just go in here, you know, open up like the screenshot tool in Windows or whatever you use, create a screenshot, save it, and then you can upload these here. So I actually already have a POV style here. So we're going to go and press on this. And what's cool in TubeGen, you also have auto charts and auto headers. So it reads through your script, detects if it needs any header sections or any charts. So we're going to turn that on as well. Now in this case, what do I want to use? Images, animations, or do I want to do visual mix to mix some stuff in? I think in this case, we don't want stock footage. It doesn't make sense for Stormtrooper. We probably won't get good stock footage. So in this case, we're going to press on animated, and you can either press on animate all images or only animate longer images. Now this is super useful to save credits, right? And we could do, for example, only animate images between 5 and 8 seconds long. That way, anything that's shorter will be an image, and then anything a little bit longer will be animated. That way you don't have like 8-second long images, right? So then we can choose a quality for a custom style. Do you want, you know, Nana Banana, you know, 720p or 1080p, or do we want, you know, custom, which is the default? It's a little bit cheaper, but, you know, I want to use Nano Banana here. So in this case, I'm going to actually make this 4 to 8 seconds, and then we're going to press generate 309 prompts. You can see a lot of the credits here are coming from the images. It's because we have 309. Now, what if I decided, right, I want to make only images, and instead of 309, we just split that in half, like 150, right? And we chose the style as the lowest. We could actually make the same video, and now it's only going to cost 9,000 credits. So you can make something just like the POV bro, probably like even lower if the video is shorter, like 7,000 credits per video. So there's so many ways you can do this. You could do a 7,000 credit video, a 20,000 credit video, 30,000 credit video, credit video. So, but in this case, I want animations. We're gonna do that 4 to 8 seconds, and we're gonna use Nano Banana, and that should allow us to make a video for 35K credits. It's like I said in the beginning, in between, you know, the POV bro and an actual animation. Now, if you don't think that's worth it, you're gonna see at the end how good the animations are gonna come out to be. But like I said, if you wanted to, you could get this probably to 7,000 credits per video, or maybe even less if you mixed in B-roll, depending on your topic. So now let's continue. For now, we're only spending 408 credits to just generate the prompts for the video. Now, as you can see, we have all of the images. Pretty much first, it just shows you all the prompts, and you can adjust them if you want to. And I went ahead and generated everything. But as you can see, we have the auto headers on. So when it says like level 1, the recruit, it shows a header. We actually go in the header settings, and we can change the font, for example. So let's choose one that we like. So I like this one right here. And then we can have an animation of like slide up, for example. Or we can do an animation of wiggle. Then we can do like large font size. Let's make, you know, just for the fun of it, we can make, yeah, white is fine. And then let's make the background black, or we can make it like dark gray. I think dark gray looks cool. And then there we go. We have that header. Now as you can see, we have the images. All the images under 4 seconds are not animated. But if we go down to a 4-second image, we can see right here, for example, we have this animation, which we can see this animation is, you know, definitely pretty good. Then what's cool about TubeGen is there's actually a video editor here. So now in the video editor, we have effects, right? We can go to the effects. We can add captions if we want. I don't think we need that. One thing we can do though is we can do like a zoom in effect, right? And apply that to all the images that aren't animated. Same thing with like a crossfade. And now if we actually expand this and play it, I'll play like the first like 30 seconds so you can see what this looks like.
Level 1, the recruit. You're on Karita. They shave your head. They take your name. From now on, you're TK4217. You wake up at 0500 hours. You run 10 kilometers in full gear. Your instructors are former clone troopers, and they hate you. You're slower than a clone, weaker, dumber. They remind you of this every single day. Your bunkmate washes out after 2 weeks. He couldn't handle the conditioning. You watch him get dragged out crying. You don't see him again. The training is brutal. You learn to disassemble an E11 blaster rifle blindfolded.
So here's where we get to the animation. And keep in mind, you could have done animate all the images or animate 3 to 8 seconds. Another thing to keep in mind is, of course, the style we used was the POV style. If we actually had images of like 2D stormtroopers, for example, we could have done that as a style, and then it would have actually made all these characters stormtroopers. So this is, like I said, this is pretty cool. We have the headers. Every time it goes like to the next level, level 2, level 3, another header pops up. And then essentially what we can do is we can press export right here. And once we add our transitions, our captions, whatever we really want, we can actually export and download our video right here. So that leaves us with the title, the description, the script, the voiceover, the visuals, and even the visuals and the editing as well are all in this one tool. And if you guys actually want a discount to the tool, I have a referral link in the description that you can press to claim a few dollars off per month on the tool. And keep in mind, you really don't necessarily need to use this tool to create these types of videos, obviously. But this took me 10 minutes rather than, I'd say, even with other AI tools, in total, you would probably spend at least a few hours, making sure everything is timed to your script and voiceover and actually looks good and has headers. So if you're really just trying to save time, keep in mind, time is money. And I like to say this with YouTube specifically, because as you can see, somebody like the POV bro, he's able to get a video out every single day. You could probably get a video out every day or every other day without spending so many hours doing so. So this way, if you wanted to, you could run multiple channels at the same time.